Sam, are you available for a few minutes? I'd like to ask you something about my water heater, which seems to have some problems that have left me puzzled.
Tyler, you look like you've been sleeping with the pigs. What happened?
It's my water heater. It's been leaking at the top for a few days, and I am afraid of using it in its present condition. I don't want to cause more damage. That would cost me too much to fix.
Oh, I see. Tell me more about this.
Well, all the junctions where the pipes that are coming in from the top of my heater are basically wet. I wipe them dry with a towel, but in a short time, they become wet again.
Interesting. Tell me more.
There is no leaking on the pipes, just at the top of the water heater.
From the looks of things, I have to say that you have a big problem. What you're telling me are the most common signs of a water heater that is about to kick the bucket.
What? Are you serious?
Yep, that's true. This is especially the case if your water heater is old.
I don't want to believe it.
All I can say is that if it's not dripping from a pipe or a joint outside the water heater, but coming up from the inside, then the entire unit needs to be replaced.
So, what can I do now?
I think you need to get your phone and call a plumber before the leaking gets any worse. I don't think you'd like to deal with an inundated home if you go out shopping and this thing starts leaking like there's no tomorrow.
Okay, thank you for your tips. I'll make sure to call a professional so he can take a better look at it. Thanks a bunch.
No problem. At least you'll finally be able to take a shower and wash your clothes.